Hi everyone, so I'm back today with another journal for you. This one is another tall, skinny, vintage Christmas style journal, and I'm just loving making these big tall ones at the moment. So I've used a few kits in this. I will mention it as I go through. I have also used some freebies from Artymaze, and like I said, I'll mention it as I go through. So the journal measures, this one's 11, so the other one, I think the tallest one I done was 10.5, so this one's just a little bit longer. So this is 11 inches tall by 4 inches wide, one signature, 48 pages front and back, and it will be listed in my shop if you're interested. So I've kind of done the same style on the cover, done the stenciling here with the gesso and the packaging. Excuse my nails, I have been like, the nail varnish is coming off them big time. I don't know why I do it, because I'm like such a chaotic person with my hands. There is on here the same on here as on there, but you can't really see it. This paper here in the background is a freebie from Artymaze. I think you can find that on her coffee shop. This was just a little scrap piece from one of Artymaze's kits. I think it's the Christmas collage medley kit, and this is from that kit as well. We've just got some ribbon that is holding it closed. You can see the signature there. I tea dyed these papers and they come out rather kind of yellow. These were different tea bags to what I normally use, but I kind of like them, kind of like the colour. So the doesn't want to open, so that's just a what do you call that, cardstock. I couldn't think what it was called then. Cardstock, coffee dyed or tea dyed, can't remember, one of the two. And then here we've just got, I've been doing kind of the same style with this is an envelope flap here, and then you've got two tucks there. You actually can tuck something in behind that as well, but you can tuck that in there, which is from my kit, which is called Old Time Christmas, and I will link that below, and I'll link Artymaze's kit below as well. That's from that kit. And then here we've got the little robin, and this is one of Artymaze's kits. I can't remember which kit that's from now. It's not from her new one, it's from one of her other kits. But what I'll do with Artymaze's kits, I will link all of them below, not individually, but a link to take you to all of her Christmas kits on her Etsy store. So that's from one of them. Can't remember, because some of that I already had printed out, so I'm just using it up. Then here, this is a freebie from Artymaze, and it's not actually a tag, it's a full size page, collage page, and I just obviously made it up into tags. This is also a freebie from Artymaze. And here, this is one of Artymaze's papers, can't remember from what kit, not for the life of me. This is one of the journal cards from her medley kit, the Christmas medley kit. This is from Tsunami Rose. This little piece here is from my kit, Old Time Christmas. That's from Artymaze. So is that. And this is the freebie from Artymaze. Got some music paper again, that's Artymaze. Journal space. Oh, let's put, I'm not even putting all these back in. That's not like me. Does that go in there? I can't remember. Yeah, it does. It does. It goes in there like so. The little postcard goes in behind there, and then that goes there like so. We've got journal space. We have got a side tuck there. This is all Artymaze, and then that's from, I don't know where it's from. It was just in my stash and my Christmas bits. This is Artymaze freebie. You'll find the freebies of Artymaze on her coffee shop. This is from my kit, Old Time Christmas. This is from someone on Etsy. I bought it years ago. It's Christmas digital music paper, so that's on there. And then you can see that lovely paper. There's a nice colour. And paper clip there, and that goes in there like so. This is Artymaze again. I can't remember what kit it's from, but I know it's Artymaze. These pockets here, they're from my Old Time Christmas kit. This is Artymaze. That's my Old Time Christmas kit. And this is Artymaze as well, from not the medley, not the collage medley kit, but just from the Christmas medley kit. No, shut up Yvonne. It's from the collage, Christmas collage kit. Oh my goodness. Couldn't get that out, could I? Doily, Artymaze, Bohemian Crafting. That's Pocket from my kit. That's Artymaze. This is one of the background papers, and I made a few tags. I liked just the leaf and the holly and the music in the background. Very subtle, but very nice. Because you don't want too much busyness going on. You need it broken up just a little bit with some subtlety. Then the coffee dyed, not tea dyed paper. Love, listen to that. I could listen to that noise all night. Little flip there. That is from Artymaze, and that's from one of her freebies. It's a full sheet. I just cut it up and made tags with it. Then that flips out like so. That goes in there. And that's just a little extra tuck there. There's nothing in there. Then here we've got a pocket. The pocket is from my kit. I don't know who they're from. I really don't. They might be Tsunami Rose. I haven't got a clue. Haven't got a clue. Could be Artymaze. I don't remember. Then here we've got another tuck in there. That's Father Christmas with his Christmas pudding. That's from my old time Christmas kit. Like I said, I will link all them kits below. A doily pocket from my kit. That's Artymaze. That is my kit, Old Time Christmas. That's the Christmas collage kit. That goes in there. Then here, again, I love the holly paper. We've got a tag here. We have, that's from Etsy, digital kit from years ago. And that's Artymaze. I don't know what kit that's from, but it was already in my stash, so I used it. And then here is this paper. It's from Artymaze. I can tell how old that is because I printed that on my laser, and I haven't had my laser for well over a year. No, is it well over a year? Can't remember. I've still got the laser. I just need to, I bought a part for it, and it cost me about £100, and it wasn't that was wrong with it. And then the guy from Samsung, because it was a Samsung laser printer, he said, oh, if it's not that, then it's something else, and the other part's another £100. And I'm like, oh, do you know what, I couldn't be bothered, so I used an old print, and then I bought a new printer. But I really would like it fixed. That's a freebie from Artymaze. Sorry about that little rant about that, but it still annoys me, where they told me to, and it was during lockdown, so I couldn't get anyone out to actually come and see the printer, so it was like telephone consultations and telling them what was wrong with it, and it was video calls, and it was like, oh yeah, it's this part. Ordered it, didn't work, still didn't work. But yeah, I think the printer was only about £400, and it was gonna end up spending £250 to get it fixed, so might as well just bought a new one. Anyway, stop it, Yvonne. It's just because it still annoys me. Little pocket just made up from scrap pieces. This is from Artymaze. I don't know what kit that's from, but it was already in my stash. It was in my stash. Artymaze. I love that paper, I really do. Really cute. And then here we've got a pocket tag from my kit, Old Time Christmas. That's Artymaze. I don't know what kit that's from, I really don't. I think it's Artymaze, and this is Artymaze. That's Tsunami Rose. Then here we've got a little tuck spot in there with the envelope, and then here this is just a collage freebie page from Artymaze, and I've just chopped it up. We've got some of the leaf, and you can't see the holly, but there's a bit of holly behind there, and that comes from one of the pages somewhere like that. That Artymaze is got free on her coffee shop, and that is the back, and that is the journal. And there you go, another one. I quite like, I don't think I used to make as many Christmas journals. I'm not sure, maybe I have, I just don't remember. But I do enjoy making these big tall ones. So like I said, this will be listed in my shop for sale, and there will be a list of the kits, or linked to Artymaze's shop where I used some of her various kits. You'll have to look through them to see which ones it is, because I can't remember off the top of my head. So yep, if you have any questions about this, then fire away. It'd be nice if you left a comment, gave me a thumbs up, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.